them up. Don't be scared. No, don't be scared at all. Try not to squish them.
No, we just we stood next to the green screen and she took a picture of us.
Let's see, what are you doing?
I printed a baby group.
Baby group?
Purple! Hi.
You're already in it now.
Chris, say hi to my YouTube channel.
Okay, so we're playing a game of billiards.
I think it's recording.
Okay, now we're recording. Now we're good. Now we have proof.
Thank you guys for coming to our first virtual Summer Academy meeting. I know that we're all not looking forward to having our summer program all online, but you know, that's our reality now. But I am excited to have you guys helping me because I know you guys are all awesome.